Hey Barbara over at Centimark. This is Chris with J3 Innovation. Appreciate you guys taking interest in what we have to offer, and I appreciate your patience on waiting on this video. I know we stated we was going to send it the week of Christmas, but we decided to wait until after Christmas and New Year's because we know how important family time is, and we value that extremely here. So we decided to wait, but we're here now, so let's go ahead and jump into it. When you're trying to rank a site and make it beneficial for your business, there are three main factors that go into play. They are content, citations, and backlinks. And as you can see, we're on the location page of your site at cindymark.com for roofing in Greensboro, NC. And you guys have your logo, you have your text clickable for your phone number, and you have a contact form here. Those are all awesome. We implement those on each and every site we build as well. That's for navigational and accessibility purposes, which Google rewards you points for that, and that's awesome. But what I do suggest is that you guys need to add more content and also do on-page SEO. What I mean by that is you guys don't have any keywords, top buyer intent keywords that you're targeting on your site and on this location page, and you need to do that. The reason for that is Google loves to read everything about you. They love to know who you are, what you do, why you love what you do, and also having the keywords on there and the correct amount of content is going to help give you more authority and help rank your site faster. With keywords, when you have them on your site, it helps Google to index them a lot quicker, and it helps with you getting more authority faster and helping with your ranking as well. So we also like to beat out the top competitor as well in content count. So what we do is go see what the top competitor has, and if they have like 2,000, you want to beat them out at 2,500 or 3,000 words to actually help you get more authority in the content factor. So I suggest that you guys look at doing some more on-page SEO in targeting keywords, the correct top buyer intent keywords, and getting more content for this as well. And I also looked at your services, and I know that they all revert back to the main page. I suggest you guys create service pages for this location as well. And the reason for that is the more that you're able to rank individually, you want to rank each of those service pages individually, it's going to help you get more power and get more traffic to your site, which is going to push back to your location page, which that will push back to your main site as well. And so it's just a system that you want to work together. So you guys need to actually create more service pages for this location as well instead of having it revert back to the main page. And let's hop on over here real quick. As you can see, this is the search page of Google. And roofing contractors, Greensboro, NC is one of the top buyer intent keywords that I typed in to find you guys. This is the map pack, and this is where your citations go. We'll talk about that in a minute. Down here is the organic section. This is where your content, your backlinks, and your citations go all into play. This is the long-term deal right here. This is the long-term strategy to where the more you rank your site, the more it starts to grow and climb in rankings, the more traffic is going to bring to your site and make it more beneficial to your business. And I found you guys on the third page. So let's go ahead and look at your top competitor and see what they're doing. And as you can see, these guys have their logo, their phone number, and they have contact forms here as well. And they also have their services here, which they are targeting keywords for Greensboro as well, like roofing, installation, Greensboro, NC. That's what you guys want to do and have separate pages for those as well. And we drop down, as you guys can see, what they are differing in is they are actually targeting keywords on their homepage for their location page as well. And as you can see, they are also listing their services on here as well and targeting keywords for their services. As you can see, roof repairs up here, residential roofing right there. As you can see, this is exactly what I was meaning when I was telling you guys that you need to do on-site SEO. And these guys have it figured out here. And I use this tool right here called Word Counter to find out how much word count they have. They have 3,941 words of content. So you guys want to beat them out. You want to either get 4,000 or to 4,200 or 300. So you can crush them out in that factor. And that will help you start in your rankings and beating them completely out in one factor. And let's go to the backlink site. This is a tool that you call Ahrefs. And it shows the behind the scenes, the metrics, the power of your site, what's going on. As you guys can see, you have a little bit of trust. You have a lot of power here, but this is coming from all of your locations. All of your locations is being grouped in one. The power pushing back to all those is being grouped in one. That's why I suggest that you guys create service pages for each location that you have as well. And it's going to actually help bring in more traffic, and actually going to help boost your site even more. And as you guys can see, this is your Greensboro page for roofing. You only have one website sending back 2 backlinks. So all this power is not coming from this page. There's really no power being pushed from this page because you only have one website sending back 2 backlinks. You're targeting 32 organic keywords, but you're not targeting the correct top buyer intent keywords to bring the traffic that you need. So you guys will need to target those as well. And since you're not targeting the right ones, you're only getting one search a month, which is only bringing you $11 in traffic value, which is not actually benefiting your business at all with this location page the way it should. As opposed to the competitor, as you guys can see, this is coming from all their sites as well. But the difference in their roofing page in Greensboro, they have 30 sites sending back 67 backlinks. And it's giving them pretty good power. They have 16 that's actually giving them more power to their sites. And they have 138 organic keywords, which I checked their keywords. They're in the like 2nd to 3rd position to the 5th position for most of the top buyer intent keywords. So they're actually targeting the correct keywords, and it's bringing them over 416 searches a month. Sorry, 416, not over. And it's actually bringing them a traffic value of $4,000 because they're targeting the correct keywords. They have the right amount of content. They're doing on-site SEO with targeting keywords and having good content count. And what we do is we'll use a method called copycat, where we go take the websites that's giving them the power that you guys need, implement that to your site, and we also continue to add links to your site, quality links. You want quality over quantity. So you want to have quality links added to your site each and every month to help start ranking your site and making it more powerful. And that is the copycat method that we will use to start beating these guys out. And let's hop back over here and go back to check out the map pack area. Okay, this is the map pack area. This is where your citations go. Your citations is just your name, your address, and your phone number. You put those into as many local directories as you can. And just like your site, your citations is going to help rank your local map listing. So what we do is we use the copycat method here as well. Take as many citations, all the citations that the top competitor is using, and we do that using this tool called White Spark. We find all their citations, take them, use copycat, implement it to your local listing as well, and continue to beat them out from there because you don't want to be equal with them. You want to crush them in all 3 factors. So we take those citations from them, implement them to your site, and then you either need to add 1 or 2 citation packs. And once you start beating these guys out in all 3 factors and continue doing this, it's going to skyrocket your listing, going to skyrocket your website and ranking, and it's going to bring your site more traffic, which is going to make it extremely more valuable to you guys. And I hope this information wasn't too much for you, and I hope you enjoyed this information. And if you would like to get back in touch with me, here is my information, my website address, my email, and my phone number, and I also will post it in the email that I send to you guys. I hope you have a blessed and wonderful day. Thank you for your time.